Pretty much all of us have learned how to read and write, but very few of us are authors, where all we do is read and write. Most of us write in an application. We write for work, we write marketing copy, or we write stories, or we write social media posts, or we write proposals, or whatever it is, product guides, demos. I mean, the list goes on. The point is, all of us write, but very few of us write for writing's sake. I think the same is true and should be true for video. In the current world, and especially the world that is rapidly coming our way, video is the preferred means of communication, even opposed to writing things down and reading them. There's a myth out there that if you learn video, it's because you are going to do video for video's sake. You're gonna be an indie filmmaker, you're gonna get on Netflix, you're gonna get hired at an ad agency of some kind. But I would argue that if you can learn video and then pair it with a market or business skill like marketing, content creation, tutorials and product demos, even sales, you will dramatically increase your market value when you add in video. I like to call this being a videopreneur. A videopreneur is somebody who leverages video skills in their context to transform and add value to the job they're already doing or the business they're already running. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're in marketing, you're in real estate, you're in content creation, learning video skills so that you can stop just using your phone or you stop having to outsource all of your video work to professionals means that you become a much more valuable commodity in the market and you can have way more earning power. There's a term called being an intrapreneur instead of an entrepreneur. An intrapreneur is somebody who transforms a company from the inside out. If you have a job at your company where you see an opportunity to use video or leverage your video skills to add value to your role, you are going to earn more, you're going to rise through the company, and you're going to make your company better at what the company does. I've done both. I learned video at one of my first career jobs and I used it more and more and more the better I got at it, and it really increased my value to that organization. And then I've also built my own companies and brands that revolved around content creation and client video work, which are two incredibly valuable ways to use video to make extra money. So if you're watching this and you want to earn more, you want to create more opportunities for yourself in your career, or you want to have an accelerated path to building your own business, I think becoming a videopreneur, learning video skills and pairing them with market skills is the fastest and most effective way for you to grow into the life that you want. That's been my story. That's my passion, is helping people learn market skills and learn video skills to apply to those market skills. And that's what Profit in Pixels is here for. So give us a follow on YouTube, check out the resources and courses that we have, and always reach out if you want help one-on-one to grow your business, your video skills, or both. hello@profitinpixels.com.